Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So not back with another GTA video. I'm actually back with Among Us. So what I'll be doing today is playing Among Us and keep pressing emergency exit. Start a little rumble there. Okay, let's just tune. Okay, we just gotta wait. 5. Okay, starting. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys, before the video starts. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe! I'm a crewmate. Postman left. Okay. Let's start now. Okay, wait for it. I'm not gonna say anything. Alright, let's wait. Say nothing. Turn off the game. I'm just gonna say just skip. Oh, I can't vote. I'm not sure who the imposters. Why are people voting? Okay, I'll just vote. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna say it was a mistake. Black said coming in. Okay, it was a mistake. Okay, I got 70 seconds. We vote. Okay. Okay, let's go. Alright, no one was ejected. Alright, guys, let's go around the corner so nobody saw me. Go around here. And then go back around and press the emergency exit. Just mess with them. And wait, first let's find imposter first. I think it's wait, let's follow Green and see what happens. No, guys, you saw when I vote cat, right? You saw when I vote cyan. No, actually vote blue, light blue. I vote them, and that happened. That happened. Guys, I can't believe that. The game don't even start good. What the heck? At least I try, I did it one time. That's the whole point of the game. So subscribe and like for more videos. Turn on the post notification. I post some days not. And like the videos. Okay. I should have changed something. Okay. Imposter. I'm a clone. What a pity. Okay, head straight for it. Move. Boom. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. Probably just something short. Look out and watch out. How you know that? No, gone 13. Nobody's not talking. Oh, waiting for the phone. Okay. I'm gonna say Duda. No, Duda. Okay. Let's press it normally. Return to vote. Okay, voting ends. Come on, 18, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. What is voting? What the hell is Branco Vima or whatever that is? I don't get it. Come on. Okay. Let's go press it one more time. Go around so nobody find me sus. And go around here. Wait. I can't go so quick. Let's go right here. Do a task. Seriously, that was my turn. Come on. There's nobody talking. Okay, nobody's not talking. It's a quiet moment. And actually, guys, what I was wanting to say is, I have a mod in GTA, and I tried downloading it, and it did download, and then I guess what? I lose every single mod I have on this thing. Purple. Somebody said purple. I lose all my money, my suits, my guns, my everything, bro. I have to start over every single thing. That was not good. Okay. Everybody said purple. What if it's purple? It's not purple. Okay, let's go print that thing. This is my turn. Come on, 3, 2, 1, let's go! This time, I'm barely gonna say anything. All the time. This is distraction of amongst, you know, you got a lot of things to try. You be the imposter, you be the crewmate. That's the regular thing about it. But you have to have a little action stuff. You have to act sus. You have to hide, not doing anything. You have to vent. You have all kind of stuff to do. You can't just sit around and play Among Us like that. Everybody has loaded. Okay. I think it's black. They vote me? No. Why they vote me? And everybody's kind of quiet too. Of course, I have to vote black. What did I expect? Black, of course. Okay, guys, we're gonna do 3 more rounds. 3 more rounds for this one. Let's do 2 imposters. Okay. Not yet. I need more people. Brown, calm down. Whatever. Imposter. Gotta fail. Whatever. Oh, look at my test. You know, I should do my test, you know? TikTok! What up, TikTok? Too fast. Can I go now? I think a yellow. No. Go 13 and put this all together for me. Let's go right here. Put it. Okay. Wait. It's white. I think it's white. I should be doing. Guys, I said that! No, they're not gonna see me. No, come on! In electrical. Oh my god, how will they know? Oh no. This was horrible. This is horrible. How much people are there? 3. Oh my god, they pick yellow. Are you serious? It's white. Probably yellow too. Oh, it's white. They can't see me. Wait, how did the imposter die? Well, if it says imposter, okay. 2 more rounds, guys. 2 more rounds. I can't believe that. I didn't even press the emergency exit. Okay, I gotta change into something good now. Hi. Mr. Bean here. said not yet. Not yet. The game gets boring. Okay. Yeah, one more round, guys. Make sure to like video for good luck. So they don't kick me out quick. That's a better. Yes! I'm an imposter! Let's go! Okay. You're gonna chillax, you're gonna go. I should be pressing emergency exit. I only press. Let's watching. I can't. There's 2 persons there. Come here. She's the imposter. Oh, I can't kill her. Forgot. Blame it on white. Let's blame it on white. Let's go. That's white. Wait. Why is she slow? Oh, I kind of want that. Okay, guys, let's do one more round, and this time head for the emergency exit. Just control these people. Okay. Other people. Start throwing down the party. Don't just start. Yes! Good thing I said anything quick. Probably imposter. No imposter. Whatever. Okay. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, wait. I'm purple. I think it's black. If black says white and the thing had started yet, it's black. So let's pick black. Black vented. Guys, if you trust me, like the video and comment below what you think if it was black. Okay, orange, but first we vote white. He's putting the thing in caps. Look at this dude. I'm voting black. Nobody ain't gonna stop me. Oh no, poor white. Who vote me? Well, that's not gonna get nothing out of me. Nobody, and I bet that black vote me because I said he's the imposter. Let's press it again. Let's go. Okay, that's weird. Not a black. It's black. Come on, trust me, people. It's black. It's a game. The game. Don't start. Start. And black says it's white. I can't vote. Oh no. You serious? Serious? White is not the imposter. There's 2 of them. Okay. I guess I was wrong. Black's the other one. I guess black was right then. Let's do a few tasks. I wanted the first step, but I gotta do a task. I'm gonna go third. Excuse me? No. Yes, skip. Yes, skip. Okay, everybody vote. Wait, who put it in? Let me see who put it in. Alright, blue. You serious? Watch that. Look at this. Look how they're gonna make themselves funny now. Guys, I failed. At least I touched the buzzer. Oh, I got another space. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. If you like how I press those emergence, whoa, let's do this time. What's the number? Okay. If you like, if you, I'm skitching. If you liked how I press this thing, I can't press. Wait, let me see if I can press it. No, I can't press it. I'm there. If you like how I press the emergency meter every time, make sure you like it, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. I post most days. Some days I don't post. You know, I'm a lazy boy. No. What? Wait, who saw that? Orange. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. I got some more things to upload. So make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the post notification. I'll see you next time. Peace.